The biggest thing that makes FlexiSpan superior to other methods is its flexibility, right? Hence the name FlexiSpan. So in the past, what has been used to fix a wall crack in a poured concrete foundation is polyurethane or epoxy resin injection. These materials, we found that over time, as your wall moves with wet-dry cycles and thaw-freeze cycles, as the concrete moves, those products crack and move, and they don't move along with the concrete. The FlexiSpan material allows the wall to move and not disrupt the repair.